These Beoplay H9i headphones have an elegant design. The earbuds are made out of soft lambskin, and because of that, you can wear them comfortably for hours. These headphones definitely stand out as a very stylish product. The sound quality of these headphones is amazing, and I'm hearing nuances in my favorite music which I never realized was actually there. So everything just sounds way more clear. The 120 feet Bluetooth range is impressive. With this range, you can walk around the house or even go to your backyard without having any issues with the connection. I like the touch interface for easy operation, which works even when you are wearing gloves. By swiping or tapping the ear cup, you can, for example, adjust the volume, skip the tracks, or answer incoming calls. The built-in microphone provides a high-quality sound for both private calls and for video conferences. I highly recommend these Beoplay H9i headphones. To learn more about the features, availability, and pricing, click the link in the video description below. For more great product reviews, click the video on the screen now.